Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Basic Computer Learning. Today we are going to learn how to use change case in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's start the video. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक simple paragraph लिया है. Okay, today we are going to use a change case. Change case basically sentence case, lowercase, capitalize each word. Okay, so let me show you. See, today I am using Windows 11. Okay, see, change case, change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalizations. Okay, so first you have to select all the paragraph. Okay, you can select like this. No, 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 cases. Okay, first sentence case. Sentence case means basically S will be capital, okay, or C will be small. Okay, lower case में हमारे सारे लेटर्स लोअर रहते हैं, मीन्स स्मॉल. ओके, अपर केस में सारे लेटर्स कैपिटल. कैपिटलाइज ईच वर्ड मीन्स हर लेटर का फर्स्ट वर्ड कैपिटल होगा. और नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा एक डुअल केस. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड इट्स डन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लोअर केस सी. ठीक है, okay, so this is your sentence case. Okay, if you want whole letters in a caps lock means capital letters, you can use uppercase. Okay, if you want letters in lower, so you can use lowercase. Okay, or if you want your paragraph in capitalize each word means हर word का first letter capital हो. Okay, so you can use this. ठीक है, just select the paragraph, whole paragraph, and then you can easily use this. Okay, so it's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel and keep supporting.